We are happy if businessmen are elected, and especially when they are appointed as minister. We are all happy because we thought that the businessman who is a minister will teach others to become businessmen. But how many of our businessmen have teach others to become businessmen? No one. What happened? There is a tendency where the ministers will do business by themselves. Can we continue that way, sir? Can the government continue if we allow a minister to do business either directly or indirectly? I was listening to that 0-hour notice given by a friend from Mauhati. While replying by a minister, he said, what's it? Asdhar and Company. We all know. I am very happy if a local do have a good company to do business. But the moment any person become a minister, he should teach others to become businessmen. I'm not attacking personal attack to anyone. It is what we observe only. That is one issue which is worrying everyone now. Chief Minister is aware of that. One friend of mine told me, Chief Minister has not failed, but his ministers fail. But they don't point out who are the ministers. You have only 12 ministers, 11 ministers. What is the problem for the Chief Minister to find out who failed him? Easily. Sir, when our friend told me that he's moving NCA against you as a speaker, I said, okay, go ahead, we'll support. You know why? A person whom I feel was supposed to be a better minister is put in the wrong chair. That's what my feeling. I had an experience. I have seen you how you work as a minister, but now in the wrong chair. No. Similarly, so there are people here. No? There are many who would perhaps do better job as minister, but they are not. See, this is the problem which led to all these crises in the state, which we call failures of the government.